Assalamualaikum. Apa khabar? Hi, today we are going to learn fractions and focus on making equivalent fractions. This is a must-have skills. If you master this, you are going to ace your fractions. Let's start here. Here, a whole strip. Let's fold it to make it two halves. This is in quarter. This is in six. This is in eighths. And this is in tenths. Now, let's color up one half of it. This is one part out of two. Two parts out of four. Three parts out of six. 4 over 8. And 5 parts out of 10. You can see that all these are equivalent fractions. Let's go back to the strips here. These equivalent fractions of 1/2 have bigger numbers, but we can see that they have the same size value. So, we multiply to get these equivalent fractions. You'll notice that the denominator is 2 times the numerator. I want you to jot down this rule. Equivalent fractions can only be made by multiplying or dividing. And whatever I do with the numerator, the top number, I've got to do the denominator, the bottom number. Now, let's do without the fraction strips. Here is 1/2. What must I do to get these equivalent fractions? I'll multiply it with 2. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. What if I use 3? I'll get this. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 3, 6. I get these equivalent fractions. If I use 4, I'll get this. And if I use 5, I'll get this. Now, remember the rules. Whatever I do with the top, I do it with the bottom. Easy, doesn't it? I hope you remember this before we start with the practice. Let's try 3 over 5, 3/5. What if I use 2? Whatever I do to the top, I've got to do to the bottom. Remember that. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 is the new numerator. 10 is the new denominator. Or I could use 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. I can use any number or factor I choose to make an equivalent fractions, as long as I use the same number for the numerator and denominator. Then I'm doing it right. Now it's your time to make equivalent fractions. In the next class, we will learn about reducing fractions. Bye for now. Ta-ta!